Chamoy is here and today we're making 3 of my favorite spooky cocktails. Those drinks are creepy, fun and guaranteed to impress at any Halloween party. Let's start with a Vampire Sunrise, beautiful colors, 2 layers and it tastes amazing. So get a highball glass, add ice, add 4 ounces of orange juice, then add half ounce of grenadine. Now put the cocktail on the side, get a separate glass, add 2 ounces of vodka, and then let's get out the pills with activate charcoal. Okay, get out the pill, let's open, and then put half of the pill for the spooky dark color. Okay, and then stir a little bit, and look at that beautiful dark color. It's perfect for Halloween. And put back the cocktail, and then add the mix on top of the glass. Beautiful. Garnish with orange, and there you have the Vampire Sunset. Now that we've set up the mood, let's turn up the heat with strawberry Diablo. For this, we need chamoy sauce. So fill a glass with chamoy sauce, and then dip the glass in the chamoy sauce, like this. And then we're gonna get Tajín, and we're going to sprinkle on top of the glass. We're gonna make a beautiful Tajín rim for this cocktail. Okay, now we have the glass ready. Let's put this on the side. Add 1 sliced strawberry. Let's add 1 ounce hot honey. Squeeze 1 ounce of the lime juice. Add 2 ounces of strawberry vodka. Half ounce of triple sec. Now muddle everything. Add ice. And top it off with Sprite. And garnish with strawberry. Okay, and there you have the strawberry Diablo. And for the spooky grand final, let's make the blood injection mimosa. So we get a mimosa glass, pour a little raspberry syrup on top of the plate, get a mimosa glass, dip in the raspberry. Put the glass on the side. In a separate glass, add pomegranate juice, and then fill up syringe with the juice, and drop it inside the mimosa glass. And then top it off with champagne. Wow, look at that, how beautiful it is. This cocktail is light, bubbly and creepy, enough to make your guests laugh. And that's 3 spooky cocktails, perfect for Halloween night. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Everyday Cocktail and share it with your Halloween crew. Cheers and happy hunting!